Hey, Dave here again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import multiple leads using CSV files or Excel or whatever you want to call them. Now, before I get into it, I'm going to ask you every time, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, and share this because sharing is caring. I put these videos out only to help everybody use Lofty to their fullest potential. I'm a Lofty user for over 8 years. I started when I was with Chime, so it's an amazing company. I'm here to help you, so let's get rocking. It's really important. So especially if you've just gone from a different brokerage or you just signed up for Lofty and you have a whole Excel spreadsheet of leads that you want to import in here, Lofty has you covered. Same thing, go to people. Instead of adding lead, you go to the three dots, import lead. Now it's going to ask you to find your CSV, so you can either drag it over or I'm going to upload a file so you can kind of see it. So we'll do, so you hit open. It's going to do this little fancy stuff. Then it's going to pull in information. Now, don't be afraid that there's not all of your leads are showing up. It's only going to show you 2 leads, but it will be importing all of the leads. All right. So the nice thing is you don't have to do this for every 2 leads. It's just showing you what they would look like as you import this. The little green check marks means yes, they match up. So what you want to do is go through and make sure they match up. Now, sometimes though, this one does match up because this is actually a Lofty download and I upload it in here, so everything's going to match. But you may not match up with something from, let's say, Top Producer or Follow Up Boss. You can just click on this actually on the word, and you can scroll down and find what you want to match it with. Okay. Now, when you go through and let's say I don't want this to be uploaded, you can just click that and say do not import. Boom, there you go. Also, too, when you pull this up, and if they don't have the green marks, but you don't care that if it's not being imported, then you don't have to do anything with it. So let me repeat that because I don't explain things well sometimes. If you have, let's say, family member 3's email, you don't care if that's in there, and it looks and this green check mark is gone, then don't worry about it. Only worry about the check. You want the green check marks of the things you want uploaded into the system. Now, advice, do this before you click next. So many times people go down through and like, oh, I'm just going to test it out, and they click next, and it's a pain in the ass to go back and fix this. So before you click next, make sure you go through, comb it through, make sure everything is what you want to import, and then you're going to click next. From here, again, you may or may not have this setting depending on if you're a team leader on a team or whatever a brokerage you're at. But here, segments, this is just if you want to put them in a certain segment of your if they're all buyers or sellers or whatever, but no segment here. Assigned, whatever you're, probably yourself, or if you're a team leader, you can drop down, you can pick an agent. There we go. If you have a lender on board, fantastic. Duplicate leads, skip leads, and a little question mark here. It kind of explains what it is. And then permission to contact. Again, if this list is of people that you've already given you permission to contact them, if they've signed up on your website, whatever, put yes on all of these. If these are just cold leads that you bought a lead list somewhere, make sure they're no, because if you want to be compliant. And when this is all said and done, you click I agree and import. I'm not going to because these are already duplicate leads, but that is how you import a mass list of leads. Now, before you even go forward and worry about anything else, make sure your leads are imported. This is why it's less than 7, not less than 20, because I want you to make sure your leads are in there because that's what makes you money. So again, please like, subscribe, and share. Watch my videos. If you're curious about how to do a manual, just 1 lead at a time, I already did a video, and that's lesson 6. Have a great day.